Man, what a great movie. When do you think they're gonna actually make flying trains? Actually, we already have those. They're called Maglev trains. Huh? What's that? I'll explain to you in the car. Maglev trains are a system of transportation that use magnetic levitation to suspend, guide, and propel vehicles from magnets. Magnets with opposite poles will attract to each other, while magnets with the same pole will repel. In order to suspend the maglev train, it would have to be made out of the same magnetic pole as the track, suspending it as an act of repulsion. Maglev trains move by using electromagnetic propulsion. This creates a temporary magnetic pole that pushes the train forward with the help of electromagnets. Similarly, the train stops moving with electromagnetic propulsion. If the electromagnets are set up in a specific way, there should be a point where the magnets push the train forwards, as well as the magnets of the same pole pushing it backwards. This would put the train in a standstill, stopping all movement. That's cool and all, but I don't know if I'd personally be comfortable with riding something like that. I have a hard time seeing where you're coming from. Personally, I would ride a maglev train, because it's exclusively powered by scientific principles, technically making it safer than the standard train. There aren't any risks of derailment, and it's much more eco-friendly. For commuters, it's much quieter than the standard train, which would make the ride much more enjoyable. However, there are some downsides to maglev trains. For one thing, it's a lot more expensive to create due to the materials required, and it doesn't function on a standard railroad track, which means an entirely new system has to be built in order for it to be used. Okay, I think you've convinced me. Well, that's good timing, because we're actually heading to one right now. This thing's gonna change transportation forever. Personally, I don't think life would change that much, but our commute times would be a lot shorter.